Hello again. We're going to get started with Module 7 and just get into a little bit of a tutorial this week about the test that's associated with this particular module. So I've switched some things up, as you know, in Modules 5 and Module 6, and then this week we're going to do something just slightly different, but yet slightly the same as well. So when you go to the test for Module 7, you can see that there are two parts to this particular week. So there is going to be the scatter speed test that's still going to be associated with Quizlet, but this week it's only going to be worth 35 points. It's still going to have that 60-second time limit, and then there will be bonus points associated with that depending on what your speed is at completing that. But what I don't want you to overlook is that part 1, because the part 1 is new. So there is going to be a 15 points 15 question true and false quiz that's going to be associated with the FDA's medical imaging website. So that website looks just like this. It is kind of lengthy. There are a series of links. None of the questions will come from any of these specific links, but I think long term going forward, these links are going to tremendously enhance some of the information that you have access to within different assignments, so you can refer back to this. So I really strongly encourage you to favorite this website. So just to look back though, so that's where the quiz information will come from. When you're ready to take the quiz, you can just click on to here, and then it'll take you right to that location. Now for the Quizlet assignment, so just simply go down to our Quizlet. It's going to look at different terms that are associated with general radiography, a little bit with angiography, a little bit with nuclear medicine, with radiation therapy. So I think these terminologies are going to be a nice summary of what we've already discussed in some previous modules. So I'm really happy with this particular Quizlet. So what I want you to do, just like last week, read through all of the terms so you have a good idea of what they mean. And then once you feel nice and comfortable with each of those terms, then you can go back to your scatter quiz here, jump onto that, start the game, and then from there you can proceed on. Just make sure that you match all of the terms within that 60-second time period. 60 seconds really should not be any difficulty. That shouldn't be crazy challenging. But I encourage you to go faster. See if you can get 30 seconds. See if you can get 20 seconds. How fast can you actually get through these types of things? And kind of the repetitive nature of it, the more times you go through it, the more you're testing yourself. So that is what I encourage you to do. But if you have any questions, just like any week, just feel free to reach out to me directly. And I hope you're enjoying this class.